Hello everyone, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and today we are here with one of our prizes. It's the Yamaha FS1-E 1974 plus £500 in cash. This competition will be drawn on the 14th of July. Tickets are £2.99 and they are limited as well, but even if we do not sell all the tickets, the competition still goes ahead. Here's how we start it. Got our ignition key on the left, kickstart here, got a choke lever here that you pull in. Shouldn't need it because I have had it started. As you can see, it's all in fantastic condition, having been fully restored. It's matching engine and frame numbers, and it's also a UK example from new. I love this gold orangey colour scheme. I think it's my favourite. I also do like the purple in these as well. Really sweet engine. And there you have it, that's the Yamaha FS1-E, 14th of July. Don't forget to buy a ticket, and the draw will be at 8 PM. You go to the website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Good luck to everyone who enters, and thank you.